welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have a super fun fashion video to share with you. I'm going to be unboxing my new bag from Bottega Veneta. I am super excited to unbox this bag and share it with you guys, and I also am going to give kind of a first impressions review of my shopping experience as well as my new bag. So let's get into the video. This is a true unboxing. I have not even opened the shipping box, so let's do that. This is the item. Here is the box with the tie on it. This is like a white matte box and it says Bottega Veneta. This is a little different packaging. I thought the packaging was the green box that matched the shopping bags. I don't know. This was purchased directly from the Bottega Veneta website. So this, if you were purchasing with them online, this is how your item would arrive. I did select the gift option as this is a gift, so just show you a close-up of that. I don't even know how to take this tie off, and this is like a thick rope almost, guys. That was easy, so that's still tied, but that's interesting. So here is the box. It just says Bottega Veneta, and is it a, yeah, it's like a magnetic flip top. So you open it, and in here we have the dust bag. So here is the dust bag. It's almost like a thick cloth. There's some like dust on it. Ooh, I just did a little peek. All right, so here is a tag which just has a set of numbers. So let's just take it out of the dust bag. And guys, here is my bag. So guys, here is the bag. This is the Bottega Veneta Mini Jodie in the color Parakeet. I was just having a look at it. It does look a little stiff. Take the stuffing out. I don't know, guys. Some of this... Alright, so I was looking to get this bag for my birthday. My birthday was a few weeks back. It was definitely on my shopping list. You guys saw I went into the Bottega Veneta store where I was trying out different colors. So I got to see the handbag up close and kind of up close in person and get a feel for it, because I had not really kind of played with it in person. So I went to the shop, I tested it out, I had a look at it, and I decided after I got some birthday gifts, some birthday money, that I would be adding this bag to my handbag collection. I will say this bag, I'm not sure if it's because it's brand new, but there's lots of like, I don't know if you can see it on camera, kind of wrinkles in the leather. Some places have buckles. I don't remember this being this way in person. So I am going to maybe look into getting an exchange, because this one just appears to be a little like, I don't know. I don't know if it should have all of these buckles. Like, I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't love it. I don't love it. Well, I'm not sure about the condition of the bag. It just has some pieces that are like buckling. So I'm really dissatisfied with that. I will have to reach out to them with an exchange. But yeah, I'm really dissatisfied with that. It's just, this one doesn't look like the ones I saw in store. So see about exchanging. But yeah, this one is just not in good condition at all. Alright guys, so I'm back. I just got off the phone with Bottega and I explained that I was pretty dissatisfied with the appearance of the bag. They asked for photos. I sent over some shots of the bag. I will put them in. I didn't really go over it with you guys because I wanted to give still like that first impression kind of tour of the bag. I've seen several bags in person and none of them looked quite like that. So I think it's just bad luck that I filmed that unboxing and it was, I would say, you know, possibly defective leather. So what were my concerns on the bag? Around the knot, it was like pulling, like coming loose. So again, for a brand new bag, that's a bit concerning because I imagine with wear, it's just going to come apart. And a lot of the overlaps with the leather, some of them were loose. I imagine with wear, that would also over time look a lot worse. So just did not give me the appearance of a fresh, brand new item. So yeah, that was not okay. If I do upload this video, I will still do a follow-up of my exchange process because now this is more information for me to share with you guys about what the exchange is like, what does that entail. I literally was so displeased. I packaged it up immediately and dropped it to FedEx. I have a FedEx like right in my town, so I was like in and out in like 5 minutes. So what they told me is when they receive the item back in the warehouse, they will then, you know, send me out a new one. Obviously that'll take some time, so I won't be able to kind of film an update right away for you guys. But yeah, this was like a very realistic, not perfect unboxing. And I must say, I want to leave some of my first impressions for my review. But at least now you guys know what bag I like, the bag and the color. And so let's just wait till I get the new one in and then we'll discuss it all, including the exchange process. I really hope the new one, like, you become like a little worried because when you're shopping luxury goods, especially, like, you're wondering, how did this one make it past, you know, quality control and all of that? When it was being packed, no one noticed, hey, this one looks a little, you know, just not desirable. So it makes me curious to see what's going to be the condition of the new one I receive. And I also need to now decide, is this a bag that I want to keep? Like, this is my first shopping experience with Bottega, which I thought it would be interesting to document. And I was having a very smooth, positive experience up until the unboxing, which was on camera. So hopefully the exchange is smooth and I receive an item that's in good condition, in perfect condition, because I mean, that's the idea here. And I'll fill you guys in then. I don't really know what to say. Honestly guys, all my other unboxings on my channel have been a true like unbox, look what I got, excitement. I kind of get to record that initial thrill of like sharing it with you guys. This is the first unboxing fail. Yeah, I will put the pictures in, I guess, so you guys can see the close-up. Yeah, my Bottega bag was like a little faulty. I don't know. I don't know what to say about it. So this will be part 1 of my Bottega Veneta unboxing as well as first impressions review. I wanted to review my shopping experience as well as the item, give you guys an in-depth look at the item. I did not want to show you guys the item now because I still want to come back and show you guys the item I intend on keeping. So I just kind of cut it when I did, and I called customer care immediately and returned it. So let's just leave it there, guys. I'll definitely be sharing an update with you guys as well as my unboxing finally once I receive it. Stay tuned for that. But guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, definitely subscribe. I talk about fashion, lifestyle, travel, and sometimes beauty. So if you're into that, please subscribe and join my online community. Also, don't forget to hit that bell so you can turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload from me. As always, if you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section below. Until next time, guys.